In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Semrush account. Whether you're moving on from the platform or just need a break, we've got you covered with a quick and easy guide to help you through the process. The first step is to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you regularly use. Once you've launched your browser, type Semrush into the search bar and press Enter. This will lead you to the official Semrush homepage where you can log in to your account. If you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials. If you find that you're not logged in yet, look for the login option, which is typically located at the upper right corner of the homepage. Enter your details and access your account. In case you don't have an account just yet, you'll need to sign up to proceed with deletion. Keep in mind, though, today's focus is on removing existing accounts. Once you're logged in and inside your dashboard, direct your attention to the right corner of your screen. You should see your profile icon there. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, find and select the Subscription Info option. This area of your account is where you'll manage your subscription settings, so it's very important for the deactivation process. Here, you'll need to look for an option to cancel subscription. This option is a bit key. If you're on a paid plan, this is where you can cancel it. However, if you're on a free plan, don't worry if you don't see this particular option right away. In the event that there's no visible cancel subscription choice due to being on a free plan or for any other reason, there's still a path forward. Simply scroll down the page until you find a link or a button that says Contact us. By clicking this, you'll be directed to a support page where you can reach out for assistance. Reaching out to support might seem like an extra step, but it's very useful. Customer service can assist you with any issues related to deactivating your account. Describe your need clearly and patiently. Wait for their response. Usually, they'll provide the necessary instructions for deletion. And there you have it. You've successfully tackled the process of deleting your Semrush account. Remember, if you run into any hurdles, their support team is available to help resolve your issues. Thank you for watching this video on how to delete your account with us. I hope this guide has been both informative and helpful.